First things first, what is CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. They come in the file extension of .css, so unlike an HTML file where we use .html, for CSS, we use .css file extensions. HTML is the backbone of every single website, but honestly, it's pretty ugly. CSS lets us create beautiful and modern looking websites. How this works is CSS is a layer on top of HTML. So we write a regular HTML and then we make it look and act really, really nice by overwriting the default settings that a browser gives us with HTML. We can change all of that with CSS. So CSS, or cascading style sheets, do not control the functionality of a website. So if you want to click a button and you want it to do something, that actually requires JavaScript. Now, JavaScript is definitely worth learning, but you should focus on learning JavaScript after you learn CSS. So you should learn HTML first, then CSS, where you currently are, this course, and then you should learn JavaScript after that. Now, if you don't know HTML, I have several HTML courses, the Ultimate HTML Developer, HTML 101, and HTML 201. So if you don't know HTML, please go back to one of those courses first, or do a little Googling and brush up on your HTML, because we are going to be working with HTML quite a bit here, because HTML and CSS work together. Lastly, CSS can be written in 3 different ways. Now, it all looks the same, but we can apply it 3 different ways. That's a better way of putting it. We have inline with the HTML style attribute, then we have internal with the style element, and lastly, we have external.css files. We're going to tackle all of these in this course.